Augustine Maynilmas. I'm with my classmates today, Ms. Zay Gabriel, Nicole Anaya, and Ms. Divine Cavite. And today we invited our special guest, which is Mr. Paul Cruz. So we prepared some questions to dig deeper knowledge about the risk management and corporate social responsibility and insurance.
Good afternoon again, sir. Can you introduce yourself po para mas lalo po namin kayo makilala?
Oh, sure.
And also your background.
Hi everyone, I'm Paul Chan po. I'm 32 years old from Rodriguez Rizal and I'm currently employed in Allianz PNB Life Insurance. I've been in the insurance industry for almost 8 years and I am a licensed executive financial advisor.
Thank you, sir. So, to know more about your work po, so nahihinan na po kami mga questions para mas malaman namin yung overview ng inyong company. So, can you provide an overview of Allianz PNB Insurance, including its key products, services, operations, and the primary functions of Allianz PNB Life?
Actually, Allianz PNB Life Insurance is a leading insurer offering diverse range of products such as life insurance, health insurance, retirement plans, educational plans, and investments. So, ang main focus ng Allianz is to give a solution sa mga clients natin para mapaghandaan nila yung future na pwede mangyari sa atin. Unang-una, pag tumanda tayo, so kailangan natin ng sapat na fund for our retirement. Then pangalawa, yung protection ng family natin. So, yun yung pinaka-focus ng company. Matulungan yung mga uneducated na mga Pilipino para mapaghandaan yung future.
So, thank you po. Next question po namin is, do you have primary laws and regulations that govern your insurance operations?
Yes, we operate under strict adherence to both international and local insurance obligations. Actually, nag-coordinate kami sa ibang regulatory bodies dito sa Philippines. Ano po ba yun? Like the Insurance Commission and other agencies. And we are accredited by the Insurance Commission. So ano po ang role ng Insurance Commission? Sila yung mga nag-accredit ng mga life insurance companies, premium companies, and sila din yung nagmamonitor ng mga status ng financial stability ng company, kung matatag ba yung company. Siyempre, para din dun sa ano ng mga clients, para ma-avoid yung mga possible na bankruptcy or mawala yung pera ng mga kliyente. So, kailangan din ng protection din ng mga clients doon sa mga companies na pinapasok nila.
Thank you so much, Mr. Paul. That's a very interesting and informative answer. We would also like to know what strategies does the company use to manage financial risks such as liquidity and credit risk?
Actually, kay Allianz, upang mapangalagaan namin yung liquidity at yung tinatawag natin credit risk, may mga strategies kami na ginagawa, like pagtatabi ng mga sapat na liquidity reserves and as well as pag-diversify ng mga investments. And regularly namin nire-review yung mga or ina-update yung mga risk management strategies na based sa pagbabago ng mga market or economy ng bansa. And sa ganitong paraan, nasisigurado namin na protektado kami laban sa mga inaasahang financial shocks. Ano po ba yun? Unang-una, alam naman natin na very volatile ang ating market. So pag nagkaroon ng crisis, halimbawa yung nagka-COVID, and then yung nagka-gera, so affected yung mga stock market. So, yun yung purpose kung bakit kailangan monitored yung status ng mga market para ma-avoid yung mga ganong pangyayari na sobrang mag-down and maapektuhan yung mga pera ng mga kliyente namin.
So for our next question po, what insurance products does Alliance offer and how do they manage insurance contracts, life and health risk, annuities and individual retirement plan, social insurance and property coverage?
Okay. Our product portfolio spans life insurance, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, health insurance, and hanggang sa annuities and retirement. So, para ma-manage yung mga to, gumagamit kami ng mga masusing underwriting process. So, meron kaming underwriting department na nagpa-process ng mga applications ng mga clients. And upang ma-assess namin yung risk ng bawat application. Kasabay dito may mga continuous monitoring kami upang masigurado namin na sustainable yung bawat produkto at naaayon ito sa pangangailangan ng bawat customers namin.
Gusto rin po namin malaman kung paano ninyo hinahandle yung insurance claim disputes while maintaining fairness po.
Pagdating naman yun sa insurance claims and disputes, we follow a transparent and systematic claims process. Kung kinakailangan na gumamit kami ng mga mediation or arbitration para masiguro namin yung pag-resolve ng bawat issues at mapabilis at syempre maging fair sa customers namin. Yung ganitong process is napakahalaga na mapanatili yung tiwala syempre ng mga clients namin.